Hey guys, today we're going to be doing another makeup look for sitting around and cleaning my room and doing absolutely nothing. So this is the look. Stick around if you want to see how it's done, and I will be yapping a little bit at the end, and ignore the creepcast. Also, please like and subscribe. Like if you're watching the video, interact with it. That would be really nice. Hi. I'm just gonna start with my foundation, like normal. Oh, and primer. And ignore the fact that I'm gonna be listening to creepcast in the background.
Hey, so I'm close to you now.
Okay, so now before I do anything else, I'm going to set it because I don't want it to be taken off while I'm doing all my other stuff. So I'm going to spray it first and powder it, which I don't think is like the right order, and then I'm going to spray it again because it's got to be like extra set. Even though I'm doing absolutely nothing. Ew, it got in my mouth. Kind of tastes good, actually. I feel like one year during like the Nutcracker, all of my friends had like this really good setting spray and everyone was like trying to eat it. I don't know, I was probably in like 6th grade. But I don't care that much how my base turns out because like I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna be home all day. I just like doing this makeup because it's fun. And I'm gonna clean my room. So I don't know. I just like having it. So here's my makeup. Well, here's my base. It's pretty much set. This foundation stays pretty well. I made it an entire 8-hour day at Universal Studios with it. And even survived the Jurassic World ride where I got totally drenched and I was freezing because it was like March. It was cold, but yeah. So here's that. I found this when I moved my ottoman that I was filming on. So first I just went over this eye in black, just kind of round. I'm gonna take this green here and put it on my inner side of my eyelid. I have no idea if it's even gonna show up, TBH. This is back on so you can actually see the color. So I put on some green, like grayish green, and then some blue-green glitter. And I'm just gonna keep going with the eyeliner. So for my eyeliner, I just kind of went crazy and I did a little tiny wing because I feel like the eyeshadow does enough for itself. You know what bugs me right now? I forgot to shave my eyebrows before I did this, so I'm gonna have too thick of eyebrows for my personal preference. Okay, I have my under eye spikes, and I'm gonna put on mascara, then lipstick. And I might do something else, but I don't know. What I'm gonna do today is I'm going to clean my room, then probably film something else, and play bass, and sing. Because I got nothing to do all day, and I'm in a surprisingly good mood. Because, I don't know, I've just been like super depressed for the past couple months. And now I'm not, so I've just gotta be like super productive, you feel me? Oh yeah, I gotta clean my depression / ADHD room. Cause it got bad. And then last night, when my boyfriend was over, we watched Dexter, and I just picked it up a little bit, and so it looks a little better. It's still pretty messy. Okay. So I'm gonna do that. And I feel like the only way it's gonna get done is if I film it. So, room cleaning video coming up, I guess, because I need motivation. So then I'm gonna take the thing that I did in my last video where I take some mascara goop and I just put it around. But I'm not gonna take this much because I like this mascara a lot. There, it's on that eye. Probably gonna extend it up a little bit. There we go. Like, it makes my eyes look a little bigger. There we go, it's a bit much. I'm gonna start again. School's almost out, so I'm gonna have time to do some more stuff. And then I actually took the early graduation test, like not the GED, but the like high school equivalency. So I'm going to college next year, 1 year early, which I think is pretty great. So I'm gonna, also for lipstick, I'm gonna do red and black. I'm gonna take the good stuff, which isn't actually that good because it's not that pigmented, but it's easier to do the mix with these two.
Yeah, I'd say,
finish my lipstick. I don't think I'm gonna do like contour today or anything, and definitely no fake lashes, because those are so overstimulating. They're so itchy, and the glue is there for days, but they look so pretty. But none of that today. I don't know, I might do some, I don't know if to do eyebrows actually. Grab my little tiny brush. Oh, it's broken, which is sad. I'll probably just glue it back together. Maybe I'll do my normal eyebrow gel instead of black, because I don't look super harsh right now. Just so that my eyebrows are like cleaned up. There we go. I don't really know if there's anything else I want to add. I might do some cheek and nose. I'm not sure. Once again, crazy yellow teeth because of the white foundation. God, it's so annoying because my teeth aren't that yellow in real life. Like, they're not pure white, but they're not that yellow either. Oh yeah, and I found this brush under the chairs. It's probably kind of gross, so I gotta like clean my brushes soon anyway. Actually, I think I'm done, so I'm just gonna set everything. And this is pretty quick, like 30 minutes. Without putting on the foundation, this look would probably take like 5 minutes. Okay, bye. Never mind, not bye. I gotta do my hair. So, my forehead, I never have to do a foundation like that on my forehead because I don't get my bangs over it. And I really want to dye my hair this weekend. But I don't know though, because I'm going to visit my friend and I don't want to get her pillows or hair dye-y. And then I'm gonna be so sad because I'm gonna go into mortuary sciences, and if I get a job at a mortuary, like before and also during, you can't have dyed hair like unnatural colors. Which makes me sad because I love my unnatural colors. My bangs are killing me. I'm gonna go wet them.
like that parallel is really nice. Yeah, it's very pretty.
Also,
and
why is getting a job so difficult? Like, I want, even just getting a job as like a hostess or something, you apply and they're like, I'm sorry, you need restaurant experience for this. You need experience. Anywhere you go, they're like, you need like all this experience and a driver's license, and you need to be 18, and you need to do this and that and this and that. Which I don't have my license yet. Whatever. I didn't have time because I go to school and I go to one of the more academic high schools, so for a while I didn't have time, and I was also too depressed to do anything in my free time. But I'm getting it. I have my permit right now, so I should get my license in the fall. Okay, I don't know what to do with my hair.
And then like you creak open the door and you can see the strobing light. And also too, like you're getting sucked in more to just the sound. Just the little.
Actually, I think I'll probably just leave it down like this because that's kind of cute. Okay, now I'm gonna go clean my room and film other stuff because my makeup's done, so I'm gonna like milk it. I feel like I didn't talk enough, so here's the finished thing, and there's that side of my room that I need to clean. And we got Creekcast, mirror, and then there's that side of my room that I need to clean. So, and actually, I really like this. It's nice, easy, simple. I'm so bored. I feel like I should talk more and be entertaining. I don't know what to say. I'm like, okay, I think there's so much TikTok goth discourse that is so dumb. Like, why do people like tear apart the TikTok trad goth style so bad? And they're like, it's all copy paste. It's not that bad. It's really pretty, and I think, dude, just stop trying to tear apart members of your own community. And people are like, well, those are the type of people who are gonna call you posers. No, they're not. I'm sure there are some who are like assholes and are just gonna be like totally mean about everything. But most of the trad goths, like modern trad goths on TikTok, are still pretty nice and encourage individuality and self-expression. So I don't understand where all the hate is coming from. And then I saw someone hating on, I think, like funeral vampires for some reason. Like, I don't know why. And they're like, well, they're super weird in their comments. And I checked, and then I went to their page, and then I looked at all their comments, and they're fine. Like, correct me if I'm wrong. Like, totally, I'm not afraid to be wrong or anything, but I just feel like it's getting to a point where, like, come on, these are also members of your same community. Just, like, chill out, you know? Like, why don't we bond together instead of just hating on each other? And okay, I also don't think anyone is saying the only valid goth style is like TikTok trad goth, unless they're like totally not in the goth community at all and like are just misinformed. Because I don't think any goths are saying that. TBH. Because I've never seen that. Like, I see all the discourse about it, but I've never seen it actually happen. Okay, that was my rant. I'm actually done now. Bye!